In today's video, we're diving into an exciting and unique way to make money by simply listening to music. Imagine getting paid for something you already love to do. We'll explore various platforms and apps that offer opportunities to earn cash while enjoying your favorite tunes. From music review sites to survey platforms, there are numerous avenues to turn your passion for music into a profitable venture. Whether you're a casual listener or a die-hard music fan, this guide will provide you with all the tips and tricks you need to start earning up to $100 a day. So, grab your headphones and get ready to discover how you can transform your listening habit into a rewarding income stream. Step 1. Explore music listening platforms that pay users. To kickstart your journey in earning money by listening to music, it's essential to explore platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Music X-Ray. These sites reward users for engaging with music in various ways, such as completing surveys, reviewing songs, or simply listening to tracks. For instance, Swagbucks allows you to earn points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards, while Inbox Dollars pays you directly for your time spent listening. Music X-Ray connects artists with listeners, offering cash for feedback on new tracks. The registration process is straightforward. Sign up with your email, create a password, and set up your profile. Once your account is active, you can start earning money while enjoying the music you love. Step 2. Understand the payment structure of these platforms. Understanding the payment structure of music listening platforms is crucial for maximizing your earnings. Typically, users earn a set amount per song or playlist listened to, which can range from a few cents to $1, depending on the platform. Additionally, many sites offer bonuses for completing surveys or specific tasks, allowing you to boost your income further. For example, you might earn extra cash for providing feedback on a new artist or participating in promotional activities. It's also important to be aware of the minimum payout thresholds, which vary by platform. Some may require you to accumulate $10 or more before cashing out. Payment methods usually include direct bank transfers, PayPal, or gift cards, making it easy to access your earnings. Step 3. Maximize earnings by listening strategically. To truly maximize your earnings while listening to music, it's essential to adopt a strategic approach. Start by creating a daily listening schedule that allocates specific time slots for each platform, ensuring you optimize your time effectively. This routine will help you stay organized and focused on earning. Additionally, don't hesitate to explore different genres. Diversifying your music choices can enhance your engagement and enjoyment, making the process more rewarding. Furthermore, consider using multiple platforms simultaneously to increase your earning potential. By spreading your listening across various sites, you can take advantage of different payment structures and bonuses, ultimately boosting your daily income. With a little planning and creativity, you can turn your music passion into a lucrative side hustle. Step 4. Engage with music-related surveys and tasks. Engaging with music-related surveys and tasks is a fantastic way to boost your earnings while enjoying your favorite tunes. Platforms like Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars frequently offer surveys that focus on your music preferences, allowing you to share your opinions while getting paid. Completing these tasks can significantly increase your income, as they often come with higher rewards compared to simply listening. To find and select relevant surveys, regularly check your dashboard for new opportunities and prioritize those that align with your interests. Additionally, be honest in your responses to ensure you qualify for more surveys in the future. By actively participating in these music-related tasks, you can enhance your earnings and make the most of your listening experience. Step 5. Promote your music listening activities. Promoting your music listening activities can enhance your experience and potentially lead to additional earnings. Start by sharing your experiences on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Posting about the music you're listening to and the platforms you're using can attract followers who share your interests. Additionally, consider creating a blog or YouTube channel to document your journey, offering tips and insights on how to earn money while enjoying music. This not only establishes you as a knowledgeable source but can also attract sponsorships or affiliate opportunities. Lastly, join online communities or forums dedicated to music listeners. Engaging with like-minded individuals can provide support, share strategies, and even uncover new platforms to maximize your earnings. Embrace the community and watch your music journey flourish. Step 6. Track your earnings and adjust strategies. Tracking your earnings is essential for maximizing your income from music listening platforms. Start by keeping a detailed record of your earnings from each platform, noting how much you make daily or weekly. This will help you identify which platforms yield the best results for your efforts. Regularly analyze this data to determine where your time is best spent. If you notice that certain platforms consistently provide higher payouts, consider focusing more of your listening time there. Additionally, adjust your listening habits based on performance data. For instance, if specific genres or tasks lead to better earnings, prioritize those in your schedule. By staying organized and responsive to your earnings trends, you can optimize your strategies and increase your overall income from listening to music. Conclusion, summary of key points. In this video, we've explored the exciting potential to earn money while enjoying music. By leveraging platforms like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Music X-Ray, you can turn your passion for music into a profitable venture. We discussed the importance of understanding payment structures, maximizing earnings through strategic listening, and engaging with music-related surveys. Additionally, promoting your activities and tracking your earnings can significantly enhance your income. Now that you have the tools and strategies to get started, we encourage you to take action. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Don't forget to explore our related content to further enhance your music listening journey and discover even more ways to earn while you enjoy your favorite tunes.